Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Debenhams credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the URL box at the top, type in portal.newdaycards.com/Debenhams/login and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this page. Make sure that you are clicked on the login tab. And now, enter the username associated with your credit card account. If you don't have a username, you can simply register for a new one by clicking on the register button and follow the on-screen prompts. In case you've forgotten your username, click Forgotten Username link at the top and follow the instructions. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on Remember My Username. But if you are using a public or a shared device, do not tick this box before logging in. Once you type in your credential, click the next button. Once you do that, your identification will be verified and you'll be guided on further instructions. You'll need to type in a password for your account as well. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to log into your Debenhams credit card account and access your credit card online without delay. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.